Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cryptocurrency wallet verification with Coinbase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore cryptocurrency wallet verification with Coinbase, start by visiting the official Coinbase website. Log into your existing Coinbase account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section from the Account menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Security tab. Look for the two-step verification option and click on it. If prompted, enter your password again for security verification. Choose the method you prefer for two-step verification, such as SMS or an authentication app. If using SMS, enter your mobile number and click Send Code. Check your mobile device. For an authentication app, follow the instructions to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Enter the code generated by the authentication app into the required field on the Coinbase site. After successfully entering the code, click Confirm to enable two-step verification. Next, go back to the Settings menu and click on the Wallets tab. Locate the wallet you wish to restore and click on it. Look for the option to restore or verify your wallet. If you have a recovery phrase, enter it in the provided field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the wallet verification process. Once done, your cryptocurrency wallet verification should be successfully restored. Take note of any confirmation messages from Coinbase indicating completion. Lastly, ensure your wallet information is securely saved for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.